Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing the SolarEdge ONE Controller for C&I. In this video, we will show you how to mount the ONE Controller horizontally on a DIN rail and connect it to the network and power supply. To begin, prepare the following items from the ONE Controller package: the ONE Controller device, 2 antennas, DIN rail mounting bracket, 2 standoffs, and 2 M3 screws from a zipper bag, and the power supply cable. Also make sure you have on hand a Phillips screwdriver, a 4.5mm socket screwdriver, and Ethernet cable. For a horizontal DIN rail installation, first take the standoffs and fasten them into the ONE Controller using a 4.5mm socket screwdriver. Next, align the DIN rail mounting bracket holes with the standoffs. Then secure it with 2 M3 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Before mounting the ONE Controller onto the DIN rail, it's a good idea to fasten the antennas. This way, it can serve as an access point in case troubleshooting is ever needed. Now, when the assembly is ready, press the spring clip to attach the ONE Controller onto the DIN rail. Leave enough space on the right side of the ONE Controller for QR code scanning needed during commissioning or maintenance. The ONE Controller requires a network connection for internet access and local connectivity. To enable this, connect an Ethernet cable from Ethernet port 1 to any available port on a router or network access point that provides a stable internet connection. For external routing, use an outdoor-rated Ethernet cable. Next, connect the power supply cable to the ONE Controller and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Finally, verify that the green light on the power button is illuminated. All done. Next up, check out the rest of the videos in the ONE Controller series.